Let's go on a new adventure.
Yes, here we go.
Yesterday we drove to Montmagny, a little out of Quebec, and here we have this room. We cooked some fresh dinner yesterday. Now we're gonna drive for a long day, hopefully without rain, in the direction of Fredericton.
The weather forecast is not too good, but if we are driving right on time, maybe we're lucky we can drive before the rain is coming. In this country you always have to make up your mind what is the weather doing, because we're driving for over 500 kilometers, and if you're in the Netherlands you drive from Almelo to Paris. Well, there are a little bit of changing in weathers. Hey, Neddy.
Did you know today is our last long drive from this trip?
Is it?
Today we drive
realize that.
500 kilometers.
500 kilometers.
We drive from Montmagny to Mactaquac Provincial Park.
Yes, that's what we do.
But then we only have to go from the Provincial Park to Cap-Pelé. Well, I think it's 250.
Something like that.
And the last ride is from Cap-Pelé to Crapaud. Well, that's only 80 kilometers.
Whoa.
So
we're now for 4 months on the road, and you're telling me now this is the last long ride?
yes, and accidentally we also had our last camping night in our tent in Belleville. In Belleville.
Jan
and Jannie.
Jan and Jannie Maat.
Yeah.
They were a Dutch couple. It was a very nice campground, and we have a very nice shower. By the way, I missed my shower today.
We had booked an Airbnb, but there was no warm water, and the water was so cold we didn't even have a shower because you couldn't, right? And we also missed the camping a little bit.
So tonight we got a cabin at the Mactaquac, and we can do everything we want, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So it's
See
a
you
little
later.
bit camping there.
See you later.
Look at this. In 1.1 kilometer, drove 25,000 kilometers.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, the counting is already done twice. So we've been twice to 10,000, so that's 20,000, and now we're going to 5,000 again.
Yeah.
At this, we booked a rustic shelter at Mactaquac Provincial Park.
Super.
But look how beautiful, and with all the colored leaves around it, so beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. En morgenochtend regent het alleen een beetje. Van 9 tot 10. I'm heating up some spaghetti. And Eric is making a fire. So we can eat by the fire. Does it work already?
Yeah. So Nadie,
This is nice, eh?
this is the place we dream of.
This is real
Fire.
camping. Autumn camping.
It is super.
Spaghetti by the fire. Oh, it's so nice. We're sitting on the porch. And it's dark now. We've had such a good, nice night here in the cabin. And we're really enjoying our breakfast now because it's sunny and all the leaves are colored.
It feels like vacation,
It
right?
feels like a holiday.
That's what it is. We're gonna do a hike. We're gonna set up our tent behind the building here because all the cottages are booked out for the night. So we have to stay one more night in our tent. And I think it's the last night from the whole trip.
Ever in this tent.
In this tent, and we leave the tent here in Canada because the tent is gone.
Before we go to Cap-Pelé and then we bring our bikes to PI. Hey Eric,
Hey Nadie.
what are we going to
We're
do?
gonna move our stuff from that building and set up our tent up there. Spot 202. Movement ever.
And it will be the last tent camping of this trip. And we have only 1 week to go, so it's very nice that it's this beautiful weather and we can
go to the Netherlands.
half an hour later and everything's in the right spot.
Yes.
On June 17th, we were also here on this campground in Mactaquac, and it's only on this field 2 places away. And Eric gave me the feather, and I put the feather in my dashboard, and ever since it has driven 23,000 kilometers with us. So now I'm gonna take it off and leave it here again, and then it traveled through all of Canada and Alaska.
Nadie, what about the route of today?
We drove along the St. John River. It was a beautiful drive from out of Fredericton in the direction of
Oromocto.
Oromocto.
Jesmer.
And well, now we've been through the big potato, but we were looking for an orange and we found some ice cream. So.
Woo! Death by chocolate.
Death by chocolate. We just talked to someone from the campground and we're gonna leave the tent here. And we camped for 4 months now this year in it. And we're gonna leave it here because the last week We're gonna stay at some friends and we're gonna stay in Halifax, and it's getting colder. Erik! Our tent is in the back. This was the last time.
Na 10 jaar trouwe dienst.
After 10 years of service.
And this tour about 26,000 kilometers. It's been in Turkey, it's been in Norway, it's been in Sweden, in Denmark, in the Netherlands, in Germany. And also in Canada, in the US, in Alaska. Thanks, buddy, for all these years.
And it was my birthday gift like 10 or 11 years ago. And it's the best thing. But
What? Why
we
so?
already have a new one.
Hey Nadie, good morning. Where are we now?
We're at the farmers market in Fredericton.
Oh, that's a good one.
It's sunny, very good weather. I think it's the 27th of September, so
It is.
we are so lucky. Let's go.
Let's go. St. John River, Fredericton. That's the town. Lighthouse, Fredericton. Let's see. Hello Nadie, where are we right now?
On the old railway bridge on Fredericton. But now you can walk here and it's Saturday, so everybody's jogging, walking, cycling. Very nice.
It's like a Saturday in the park, right?
Yeah, Saturday in the park. Market is gone, but our bikes are still here. And we are going to
Moncton, Cap-Pelé, Grappo, Halifax, Amsterdam.
whoop. On our way to Cap-Pelé, through the streets with all the beautiful colors, we're having a little break in Harcourt.